Don't let your money go to waste in your bank account. You can start investing in gold for as little as 300 dirhams. Yes, you heard it right. 300 dirhams. Watch this video till the end to learn how to invest in gold digitally, in mutual funds, or in gold exchange traded funds. Hi, welcome to this channel. If you want to buy physical gold in the form of jewelry, the ideal time for buying it are December and January during the Dubai Shopping Festival and from June to August during Dubai Summer Surprises. This is the time when you may get the best bargains. If you want to buy gold jewelry, souks are your best alternative. Other choices for purchasing physical gold include gold bullion, gold bars and gold coins. There is a website named iGold. This website offers a wide range of gold items including gold bars, gold bullion and gold coins. They acquire gold directly from manufacturers. Therefore, the quality and purity of their gold are guaranteed. You can find their suppliers on this page. Also read other buyers' reviews. Best part is that they will deliver gold at your place. There is one additional website where you can buy gold. This website is called ISA Bullion. This is also a reputable website for buying gold. To protect your gold investment, they also offer secure vaults. Another approach to secure your money is to invest in digital gold. Investing in gold digitally is secure since you don't have to worry about protecting the actual gold. The first option is Emirates NBD Gold Savings Certificates. This bank sells gold certificates in denominations of 100 grams, 500 grams and 1000 grams. 100 grams of gold represents an investment of at least 30,000 dirhams. It's a rough price. You can check the updated price. This certificate can be redeemed on any day before to maturity for cash or actual gold bars. It is issued for a maximum of 60 months, which means 5 years to replace actual gold. Emirates NBD also offers gold investment account. This account allows you to invest from 500 dirhams. Every month you can transfer 500 dirhams from your Emirates NBD current or saving account to your gold investment account. So it functions like a SIP, systematic investment plan. So as a result, you can buy tiny amounts of gold each month and gradually develop your investment. Second option is Mashreq Bank. Mashreq Bank also offers accounts similar to this one for investing in gold. 1 ounce of gold is the minimum you can invest in a gold edge investing account. 1 ounce means 28.34 grams. It costs about 9,000 dirhams roughly. Third option is gold account at RAK Bank. With this bank account, you can purchase gold digitally in the smallest possible amount. This digital gold account is reasonably priced as you can begin investing with just 1 gram of gold. How much a gram of gold is worth? As of right now, 1 gram of gold costs 300 dirhams and 10 grams of gold costs 3,000 dirhams. So you can begin investing in gold with the smallest possible sum. According to this account, there are 3 conditions to be met. The one is 21 years of age. Even the non-residents are permitted to purchase gold if they have a current or a saving account with RAK Bank. So it's a very convenient option if you have little sum to invest. Why not invest in gold? The next option is not only for investors but also for traders. If you want to trade in gold, then this option is a very good convenient option. Buying gold ETFs is the best way to invest in gold in the United Arab Emirates. Using the Sarwa Trade app, you may purchase gold ETF. In general, gold ETFs do not pay dividends, but you may benefit from capital gain when the price of gold rises. So not a bad option even for investors. So these are some options available in the UAE for investing in gold. You can choose whatever is convenient and affordable for you. This is all for today's video. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing this channel. There is another video about how you can invest 10,000 dirhams or 1,000 dirhams in the UAE. Please consider watching these videos as well. See you there. Take care.